Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. Thank you so much my old subscribers for subscribing, and if you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please you can click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. So today we are making this beautiful top. It's going to have a bob sleeve on it.
You're welcome. So we are making a top this today, it will have a puff sleeve. So this is the fabric that we are using to make it now. So let's get started. So I will start with the measurements. So the measurement that we have that I'm having here is 25. So I'm marking 25 plus the hem allowance on it. So the actual measurement is the length is 24. So this is the 25. So after that, what next? We'll start with the measurement for the shoulder. The shoulder is 16. So just add 1 inch allowance on it for the sewing. So I'm marking 16 and half. That is on your tape rule is 8 and half. To bring it down to the armhole side, I'm marking 7 and half. So from there, that is where we get our body measurement, that is the bust measurement. So the bust measurement that we are making or using is 38. So since it's a free dot that we are making, we just add 1.5 on it. That is everything there is 10.5. That is 42. So coming to the half length, the half length is 16. That is the 16 here. So on that half length, that's where you get your waist measurement. And our waist measurement, you divide it by 4. On the bust, we divide it by 4. So the waist measurement is 30. So 30 is 7.5. So since a free gown also has 1.5 on it, so this is what I'm having here. So I'm having 39. That is 36. 36 is 9 on the tape rule. So coming to the downside, that is the hip line. So we add, what are we adding there? We are adding 10. So that is 40 because the hip is 38. Or let me add this 10, 11. That is 44. 4. So we're done with the measurements. So to come to the neck, our neck, we want to make it a little round neck. So I'm marking 3. To bring it down, I'm marking 2.5. Don't want it to be too slow. So it's 2.5. So it's a round neck. So this is how you do your round neck if you are cutting. So now slope it like the shoulder side. I'm using 1 inch to slope it down. So to get the armhole, just curve it. This is it. So that is it now. So now I've not added the allowance on it, like the sewing allowance. I'm adding 1.5 throughout to the waist, 1.5 to the hip side, 1.5. That is the sewing allowance. That's what I'm adding. So we're done with the measurement. So just to connect it, so from the bust you connect and connect it to the waist. From the waist now you just connect it down. And we don't want our top to be too straight at the downside, at the bottom. Just give it a little curve. So I've curved it now. So the measurement is done, and we'll cut it out now. So starting from the neck side, I want to cut. I want to take it up small to cut it because of the back of the neck. That's why I'm doing that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch my video to the end. So I'm cutting it now, like the shoulder side. This is the armhole that I'm cutting also. So I've cut the armhole out. So what we are doing is the front side that we are cutting now. So we use the front now to cut the back side of this top. Remember, it's a puff sleeve that we will use for the top. So that is what I'm doing here now. So we finish the cutting of the front. So can you see how it is now? So later we'll now cut the neck of the front. So this is it. So this is the back side of the fabric and this is the wrong side of it. So what I will do now is just for me to use the front side to lay on it. So this is the front side of it now that I want to lay so that we'll cut it out because the measurement is already done from the back front side of it. So now I will cut. Remember, I use the front to cut the back neck first. So I want to cut the back neck now. So this is the cutting now that I'm doing there now at the back. So this is the downside of it. So I'm just cutting it with the front because it's the front that we use to cut measure everything. So done. The armhole side is what I'm cutting. Let me come to this side and cut it. So this is the sloping side of the shoulder that I'm cutting. So armhole is what I'm cutting here now. So I want to cut it. So this is the armhole. So the cutting is done. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please watch the video to the end. So this is it. We are done with that. So let me cut the front of the neck now. So this is the front neck now. So I cut it. So let me take away the front so that I will open this side of it. So let me mark how many I want it to be. I'm marking it with 4. So that is where I will open it. So I want to open it because it will have a button. So it's done. So I've opened it. So this is it. So this is the front, like the actual front of the fabric. So this is it. So we're done with our cutting. So what we will do now, we'll go to the machine and join it from the shoulder. So watch. So this is our material now that we are using to cut this puff sleeve now. So it's one fold, one fold. So this is 2 sides. So I will fold it again because we are cutting the 2 sleeve all together. So this is it now. So let's cut it out. So what I will do, this is the measurement, that the length is 12 and we'll just gather it with elastic. Use your safety pin to do it. So this is what I'm doing now. So I'm just giving it the armhole side. So this is the armhole side. So it's not too difficult. So what I will do now, we just cut it out and also go to the machine and gather it. That is the upside, and come to the downside is elastic. We'll use a safety pin to gather it. So this is the sleeve. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is it. So I will just open this side of it and the cutting is done. So this is it now. Cut it out. So let me just open it for you. So can you see how it is now? So just go to the machine and stitch to gather it out and use this side, like the downside, for the elastic. So we are done. So this is it. So this is the upper side that will fit on the armhole. So I've gone to the machine to stitch it and the machine have gathered it. So we'll use the elastic now to gather the downside that will make it to puff. So this is what I'm doing now. So I'm just gathering it now. After that, we'll go and stitch it on the top now because the top I've also join it together. So let me use the office pin to hold this so that I can continue to draw the elastic. So this is it, and this is the first sleeve of it that I'm doing the gather. So let me just gather it for you to see how it will come out. So this is the gather. I hope you can see what I'm doing, and I want you to do it by yourself. So it's almost done. So can you see now that it's done? So let me show you the second sleeve of it. So this is the second sleeve. Also, we'll stitch it and gather it, and this is the elastic. So let me go and stitch it on the body now.
So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. I can see how our top came out. We have gone to the machine to stitch the puff sleeve on the top. So it's very beautiful. And guys, you can watch this video again and again to understand it more. Leave your comments. You can share the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching.